Welcome back to my channel, everyone. We have another unboxing. This is kind of gonna be the battle of the Ipsys, but we only have two of the Ipsys. I have the Ipsy Glam bag right here, and I have the Glam bag Ultimate right here. So we'll start with the smaller one, just the regular Glam bag that we have here. And this is the December Ipsy. And it looks like this. Oh, it's beautiful. That's really cute. I like it. All right, let's see what we got here. First thing we got is the choice. Ipsy is now letting you choose at least one product from every single box. I do think some of them you get more than one choice. All my subscription boxes are starting to get a little fuzzy, so I'm not exactly sure. But I do know that every single box gives you at least one choice. And I chose the Pore Professional Primer from Benefit. I've used this product before and I remember it being decent, so I figured why not have another one. The next product is Tarte Park Avenue Princess High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I actually already have the full size of this, so this is going to be going in the giveaway box that we are slowly ever growing. It looks like this. I will not swatch this since it is going in the giveaway, but it is a very nice warm bronzer. The next item in the box is Aromatica Rose Absolute First Serum. It says it is a vegan formula, and there's a whole bunch of stuff that it says on the back that I'm trying to read with the description, but it is so tiny. It is, wow, you need a microscope to read that. I have no idea. Let's see if it says anything about it on the card. It says, oversleep and need to speed up your routine. This toner and serum will tackle 2 skincare steps in one go. Made with natural plants and herbs, it balances, hydrates, and illuminates your skin with Bulgarian damask, I don't know if I'm saying that right, rose oil, aloe vera, and niacinamide. Not sure if I'm saying that right either. My skincare buffs, where you at? Tip, use 3 drops of this serum on clean, dry skin morning and night. Press it onto your skin using your fingertips and let it sink in before applying the next steps in your routine. Oh, that sounds really cool, actually. I think I will use this and try this. I love to try out new toners, and this seems to be a serum and a toner in one. Very exciting. Okay. Next item is Banana Beige Pressed Eyeshadow by the company Phase Zero Makeup. Not sure I've ever heard that. I'm not sure I've ever heard of them before, but that doesn't mean it's not any good. Let's open her up and give her a swatch. If you guys heard about this company and you like this company, let me know about it. I'm always looking to try out indie brands. I'll swatch this for you. It actually shows up a lot lighter than in the pan. It looks like it'd almost be a topper shade or a airbrushing shade for the topper lid. It's very, very pretty. I wouldn't say it's anything super dramatic or unique, but it is very pretty and very pigmented. The last item in this box is Skin Regimen Night Detox Overnight Vitality Mask. It looks like this. And I've been using the Dr. Brandt Nighttime Mask, and I absolutely love it. It's the only one I've ever tried, so I'm excited to try another one. We'll try that out. That is it for my Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know what you guys got, because I know most of people get really different items in this, so let me know if yours was better than mine. Let's compare. All right, and on to the big daddy, the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Bum, ba, bum. Here we go. All right, and here we go. It looks like this. I did get an email from Ipsy that said that the Ipsy boxes are going to start coming in bags. This is not a bag. So, I mean, that is a lot of stuff in there. We got a lot of stuff to go through. It said to save money and to be more environmentally conscious, that it was going to start coming in bags. I assumed it was going to be something like this, but maybe they're talking about the January box. I'm not sure. This is the bag that came with the Glam Bag Ultimate. It's also very pretty. Not quite as large as the other ones that we've been getting, but it is still very nice. I don't even think that this bag could hold all the products that I got in my box this month. So the first thing in here that I see is a brand called Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. Powerful detoxifier and pore minimizer. That's what I need, a pore minimizer. These pores are gigantic. And it came with 4 of them. For some reason, they haven't been giving the values on these boxes anymore, so without doing a lot of research, I have no idea what the retail value of these is. It could be high, it could be just average, I really don't know. But I will still definitely get some use out of them. The next item in this box was one of the choice items. It is from Too Faced. I did not know it was gonna be this big. This is really, really, really cool. This is the Too Faced Kissable Body Shimmer. Look and taste more tempting than a fresh baked batch of gingerbread cookies with this sparkling body powder that veils your skin in an all-over gingerbread flavored sexy glow. Do you guys remember when Urban Decay had that marshmallow edible body glitter? I'm hoping that this is like that, because that stuff was really awesome and I was never able to get any. It was very, very expensive. And that was when I was still like in elementary school. My mom wasn't gonna buy me that shit. She'd be like, why do you need edible body glitter? Don't worry about it, Mom. Okay. It comes with this adorable little pink puff. Oh, this is so cute. Oh. And before it's opened, it looks like this. I'm gonna peel open the tab. There's a little gingerbread man inside. And there's body glitter all over him. Looks like the Shroud of Turin right there, doesn't it? Let's go ahead and swatch a little bit of that gingerbread man. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's really, really pretty. Can you see that? Now, it says it's kissable. Does that mean it's edible? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna lick the finger. I'm gonna do it. It tastes really good. It's delicious. It is definitely kissable and lickable. Wow, it tastes kind of like sugar cookie. I'm gonna dust a little bit of this on. I can't help it. I have to. Why am I so excited about this? I feel like a little kid. I should have saved this for the last thing in the box. Oh no, we're gonna need more than that. My boyfriend's gonna have a job tonight. Not too intense there, just a light, dusty little shimmer. Oh, but it smells delicious. Oh, I love it. I love it. I am super excited about this. All right, Too Faced. All right, I hear you. Okay, still got a lot of stuff in this box. Here we go. The next item in the box is Complex Culture Brush. Introducing Complex Culture. We designed this brush to make your life easier. Contour and blush. I've never seen any of the brushes come in such a fancy package. Oh, wow. That's very luxe feeling. That's very nice. Looks like this. The bristles are really, really, really soft. This has got a nice rubbery feeling. It's nice and heavy. It's dense. It feels like a luxury brush. It's very, very nice. I actually really kind of love it. It did have this also little protective sleeve, but you know, I'm a klutz and it fell off. All right, next product. Here we go. 111 Skin Harley St. London Cryo Activating Hydrogel. This feels pretty heavy. Regenerative. It has a little bit of a fragrance. Cryo Activating Hydrogel. Says it was developed by renowned plastic surgeon Dr. Yannis Alexandrides in collaboration with space scientists. It says it combines Dr. Alexandride's knowledge of effectively targeting the signs of aging with space scientists' expertise in protecting the skin against environmental damage. Well, that's very gimmicky, but interesting. I'm sold. It feels very, very cool to the touch. I think it's glass, and it does feel very, very luxurious. No idea what this retails for, but now I'm very, very curious to find out. Next item in the box is another Glam Glow product. I have gotten one of these in an Ipsy before. This is a Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Hollywood, California Glam Glow. I do have one of their regular facial cleansers. I guess I am open to trying an exfoliating cleanser because my dusty ass does need to exfoliate. Okay, next thing in the box. We have a Lash Next Door mascara by Brooklyn and Bailey. It did not come in a box. It came just like this. Very standard brush, nothing new or innovative really. Don't know much about this formula, don't know much about this brand. If you love this brand, let me know about it. Let me know what's up. Next thing in the box. Mexicandy hand sanitizer in the scent Flower Power. Looks like that. Does not look like a full size. It just smells a little bit like flowers and alcohol. So, not super excited about that, but we got it. Okay, still got a few more items in the box. We got an Illamasqua liquid eyeliner. Their lipsticks are absolutely stunning. I'm very excited to try their eyeliner. It's in the shade Black. I'll swatch that for you guys. Wow, wow, wow. That just swatched like a dream. I am in love. I cannot wait to try this. Will this be my new favorite eyeliner? We shall see. Excited to try that. The next thing in the box is Pacifica Persian Lip Cherry Lip Balm, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. I have gotten a few other things from Pacifica before, like some eyeshadows and other things. I do believe they are a drugstore brand that you can get at like Target or anything like that. Decent products, not bad. Everything that I've tried has been decent. So, excited to try that. It's in cute packaging. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells really good, actually. Now I'm really excited to try this. That smells delicious. Okay, we got 3 more things in the box. The next thing is Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original by Vanilla Co. There's no way this little tiny thing is a full size. There's absolutely no way. Yeah, because that looks like it'll clean my face maybe 2 or 3 times at the most. Maybe less. I don't know. Let's see. Let's open it up. Oh, I guess I'm confused about how to use this because it's more like a gel. So like, it doesn't feel like something. Can you guys see that there? It's like a gel. But it feels more like a lip balm than a cleanser, so not really sure how to use that. If you guys know how to use that, let me know because Mama want to learn. 2 more things in the box. The next thing we have is Fluid Lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Candy Bar. Has a very standard lip spoolie there. Oh, it smells like candy and gingerbread. Oh, it smells delicious. I'm gonna swatch that for you. It's not super pigmented, but it does look like it's nicely buildable. That's with 2 swatches there. Okay, there is one more thing in the box. Morphe 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Palette. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. I don't know if you can see, but This actually has all the names underneath the product. We got 2 contour shades, a bronzer, a highlight, 3 different highlighters. We got 4 different bronzers, and we have 4 different highlights. I'll just swatch a couple of these for you. And I'm going to swatch Lit and Supernova. They're actually very pretty. They're not the most pigmented highlighters that I've ever seen, but they are very pretty. Okay, and that is it for the box. What did you guys think? Is it worth it? So the retail value for this box is $50. Everyone has been complaining about the Ipsy boxes for the last few months. A lot of people have canceled because they've been so disappointed. They got a lot of small size samples, didn't get as many full size products as they thought they should. In fact, a lot of people have said ever since they brought out the Glam Bag Ultimate that Ipsy's quality all the way across the board has gone down. So what do you think about the Ipsy Ultimate compared to the Glam Bag? This was a lot better than last month. My last couple Glam Bag Ultimates have been atrocious. The Betty Boop collab, disgusting. I thought the eyeshadows were terrible. I thought all the rest of the products were just so-so. Even the brush was just so-so. This is a little better. Is it my favorite box that I've ever gotten? No, but this I'm excited about. The child in me is just, I feel like I'm reliving my youth in here. I feel like I'm being able to capture a part of my youth that I missed. So I'm very, very excited about this product. Let me know what you think, guys. What do you think? Is this worth $50? Is this worth $12? Because remember, they did raise the price. Let me know. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to get more notifications. If you want to know when I'm doing this giveaway that is ever growing, make sure you got that bell on so you know the bigger it is, the more you're going to get. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.